Call is 1-800-JUSTICE for a free consultation and our no-win, no-fee policy.
All right, we're heading toward that weekend and hopefully moving into the gray zone. Doesn't mean a lot, but we can still go outside for exercise, yeah?
I think regardless of what zone, people will be doing stuff outside because there isn't much to do. And the wind chill definitely adding a bite this morning, Lindsay.
Yes, definitely. And while we're talking colors, I want to mention blue because that is the sky right now over the GTA. It is absolutely stunning. But if you look outside, just be careful. Don't let that sunshine fool you. It is chilly out there once again. But there is a warm up on the way. It just will come after the weekend. Weather is brought to you by the Presler Law Firm. Injury lawyers, you don't pay unless they win. Well, here's a cool shot captured this morning by our CTV News chopper. A few early morning skaters enjoying an outdoor rink at Bathurst, south of Dundas. It was another chilly overnight, as we mentioned, and start to the day today. That sunshine surely made it an inviting one to lace up. And for anyone who has their own outdoor rink, I encourage you to enjoy it over the next couple of days because we do have milder weather on the way for next week, and that could make the ice maybe a little less solid. Let's begin, though, first with a look at the satellite and radar. Lots of sun around the GTA, a little bit of cloud to our north and to our east, and we've got snow falling around the city of London, making its way off of Lake Huron. The area of concern as we make our way into the night tonight is going to be off of Georgian Bay. We've been talking about this low that continues to spin over Labrador. It's not having a huge influence on us in southern Ontario, but what it's doing is continuing to usher some strong winds out of the northwest. In fact, those winds are gusting right now to about 45 kilometers per hour in Toronto. It's contributing to how chilly it feels out there. And because the Great Lakes are still not all that covered in ice, it's going to contribute to some lake effect snow, especially through the night tonight. There's a snow squall watch in effect for areas like Collingwood, Barrie, Orangeville, and over toward Innisfil. The hardest hit areas could pick up 15 centimeters of snow, but again, that will be very localized. This snow accumulation map gives you a general idea of who could see a little bit of snow. And yes, even we in Toronto could see at the very least a few flakes in the air, maybe a trace to a centimeter or two of snow. So again, this starts to happen in through York region this evening. It's more so a story for the overnight for us in Toronto. Might still wake up to a couple of flakes. At times, your Saturday could be more cloudy than sunny, but overall, it's looking like a pretty decent weekend. Sunday especially will be filled with sunshine. Tonight at a glance, -8 will be the forecast overnight low, still feeling like -15. Tomorrow's high, we're going to struggle to make it to as warm as we are expected to be today. Part of the reason that cloud cover and those northwest winds, yeah, they're sticking around as well. Here's a quick look at your 7-day forecast. Once we get past the weekend, some very mild weather moves in for Monday, but especially into Tuesday and Wednesday. Might climb into the double digits for the first time this season. And yeah, even a chance of a few spring showers as opposed to snowflakes this time around. That's the 7-day. Nathan, I'll send it over to you.
All right, thank you, Lindsay. Well, it's a great day to be at the beach. Now, wait for it, if you don't mind the -7 degree temperature.
And if you look closely there, yep, that's a swimmer who we